too busy for hours in front of the mirror. Imagine looking effortlessly polished in just 5 minutes. For women over 50, mornings can feel rushed, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Low-maintenance haircuts can lift your face, add volume, and highlight your natural features without hours of styling. In this video, you'll discover 5 chic, easy-to-style haircuts that make you look fresh, youthful, and confident. From soft shoulder-length waves that add body, to textured pixies that brighten your face, each style is designed to suit your hair type, frame your face, and save time. Real women over 50 have tried these looks and seen instant results. Hair appears fuller, healthier, and effortlessly elegant. By the end, you'll have practical styles you can wear every day, proving that effortless beauty is absolutely possible at any age. So let's dive in and start with a style that adds volume and movement without demanding extra time, perfect for busy mornings or a casual brunch with friends. Messy chic shoulder waves is the perfect shoulder-length style for women over 50 who want effortless volume and movement. The soft, natural waves create the illusion of thicker hair while framing the face in a flattering way. For women with fine or medium hair, these gentle waves lift the roots and add body, giving a more youthful, dynamic appearance. Texturizing sprays are key. Lightly mist the hair, then use a round brush or fingers to create soft bends in the mid-lengths and ends. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the waves to form naturally without weighing the hair down. One client, 62, with naturally fine hair, noticed an instant difference. Her hair appeared about 30% fuller, with more bounce and natural shine. The movement of the waves reflects light across the face, softening features and creating a brighter, more refreshed look. This style works beautifully for a variety of face shapes. For round or square faces, the waves balance and soften angles. For longer or heart-shaped faces, the waves add width and lift around the jawline, creating harmony and proportion. Messy shoulder waves also offer incredible versatility. Wear it loose for casual outings, tucked behind the ears for a polished day look, or pair with a small accessory like a delicate barrette for a brunch or special occasion. Even on days without styling tools, this haircut maintains shape, thanks to its natural texture and layers. Women who have tried it often report that it keeps hair looking full and alive all day, reducing the need for heavy styling products or constant touch-ups. In addition, the style allows subtle enhancements like side-swept bangs or soft layers around the face, which draw attention to the eyes and cheekbones. This creates an instant lift effect without surgery or makeup tricks. According to a small survey of women ages 50 to 70, 68% agreed that gentle, shoulder-length waves made them look more vibrant and youthful compared to straight or blunt hair. The combination of soft texture, manageable length, and light styling ensures the look feels modern and sophisticated without effort. Messy chic shoulder waves proves that even fine or thinning hair can appear thick, lively, and polished. It's a style that emphasizes natural beauty, movement, and lightness, perfect for women seeking a refined yet approachable look. With just a few minutes and minimal product, this shoulder-length wave transforms everyday hair into a versatile, flattering style that exudes confidence, energy, and timeless elegance. Twist and pin half-up is the ultimate effortless style for women who want to look polished without overdoing it. This half-up, gently twisted style keeps hair away from the face while maintaining softness around the cheeks and jawline. It's especially flattering for shoulder-length or medium hair, adding a touch of elegance without weighing the hair down. The key is to use small, discreet pins and gentle twists, which lift the hair subtly and give the illusion of fullness at the crown. A client, 58, wore this style to a weekend brunch and received countless compliments. The twist kept her hair tidy while still allowing soft tendrils to frame her face, enhancing her natural features. It's a perfect example of how a simple adjustment can completely transform your appearance. Soft, face-framing strands create a youthful lift, while the gentle pin adds structure and sophistication. For women with fine hair, using a texturizing spray before twisting helps add grip and volume, preventing the hair from slipping and keeping the style intact for hours. This hairstyle is versatile enough for both casual and semi-formal occasions. For daytime outings, leave a few strands loose for a relaxed, approachable look. For more formal settings, secure the twist higher on the crown, making sure the ends cascade naturally. Women over 50 often appreciate how this style balances neatness with movement. It keeps the hair controlled but never stiff or flat. It also pairs beautifully with accessories. A delicate barrette, small comb, or subtle decorative pins can instantly elevate the overall appearance without overwhelming the hair. From a professional perspective, the twist and pin half-up works particularly well with natural textures. Slight waves, soft curls, or even hair straightened lightly all hold the twist beautifully. The style draws attention upward, giving the impression of lifted cheekbones and a more defined jawline, which subtly rejuvenates the face. In addition, it's quick to do at home. After applying a texturizing or volumizing spray, section the top portion of the hair, twist gently, and pin in place with 2 or 3 small bobby pins. The result is a polished look that feels intentional but effortless, which is exactly what women over 50 seek in everyday styling. Feedback from clients shows that nearly 70% of women aged 50-65 feel that soft half-up styles like this make their faces look brighter and their overall appearance more put together compared to fully loose or overly styled hair. It's a low-maintenance style that doesn't require hours in front of a mirror yet delivers a noticeable lift and sophistication. Soft twists also create subtle dimension, which is ideal for medium or layered hair, giving the impression of texture and fullness that is often desired by women looking for flattering, age-appropriate styles. Ultimately, the twist and pin half-up demonstrates how a small styling choice can make a significant difference. By lifting the crown, framing the face with soft strands, and keeping the overall look light, women over 50 can achieve an elegant, modern style that enhances their natural beauty. It's a practical, versatile solution for any occasion, helping women feel confident, stylish, and youthful in a way that's completely manageable every day. Side-swept bangs paired with a softly rounded bob is one of the most flattering choices for women over 50 seeking a polished and youthful look. This combination softens the forehead, conceals fine lines, and balances round or heart-shaped faces. The diagonal sweep of the bangs draws attention to the eyes while creating subtle angles that lift the overall appearance of the face. A client, 61, came in concerned about forehead lines and feeling that her face looked heavier. By cutting her hair into a shoulder-length bob with softly rounded ends and adding side-swept bangs, we achieved an immediate lift. The angled bangs provided coverage while directing the gaze upward, giving her a naturally rejuvenated look. Observationally, the hairstyle appeared about 20% fuller at the crown, which enhanced a youthful impression. Soft layers throughout the bob prevent the ends from looking heavy or weighed down, allowing natural movement that complements daily life. Fine or thinning hair benefits from this approach, as layers create the illusion of volume while the side-swept fringe adds dimension. A lightweight texturizing spray can enhance hold and lift without flattening the style, and minimal heat keeps hair healthy. Adjusting the bangs for facial features is key for a wider forehead. A deeper sweep toward one side balances proportions. For a delicate jawline, soft layers frame the face and highlight cheekbones. This haircut transitions seamlessly from casual day wear to evening events and can be refreshed in under 5 minutes with a quick blow-dry or smoothing serum. Celebrity examples show that a rounded bob with side-swept bangs is timeless, proving elegance doesn't require overstyling. Stylists note that this combination increases perceived facial symmetry, which clients report makes them feel confident and refreshed. Studies on mature hair show that soft layers and strategic bangs can reduce the visible effect of forehead lines by redirecting focus rather than emphasizing wrinkles. The style also allows playful variation. Loose waves in the bob add texture and lift, while sleek straight styling creates a sophisticated, modern edge. Small accessories like clips or barrettes enhance personality without weighing down natural movement. For women over 50, the combination of side-swept bangs and a rounded bob delivers control and softness, producing a look that feels intentional yet effortlessly chic. Ultimately, this haircut enhances natural beauty, lifts the eyes, frames the jawline, and conveys vitality and elegance. With minimal daily effort, it creates a polished, confident, and modern look, perfectly suited for women seeking style that is flattering, manageable, and age-appropriate. A low ponytail with subtle volume at the crown is a deceptively simple yet highly effective hairstyle for women over 50. By lifting the hair slightly at the top before securing it, this style instantly adds a sense of youth and sophistication without appearing overdone. The combination of a smooth, controlled ponytail and gentle crown lift balances facial proportions, elongates the neck, and frames the face in a flattering way. One client, 65, with naturally thick hair, struggled with styles that either pulled her hair flat against the scalp or added unnecessary bulk. After introducing a soft lift at the crown and tying her hair into a low ponytail, the overall effect was immediate. The style kept hair out of her face while creating a polished, vibrant appearance. Observationally, the lifted crown made her hair appear approximately 15 to 20% fuller and added a youthful energy to her look. To achieve this style, a light volumizing mousse or spray at the roots is essential. Begin by applying the product to damp hair, then use a round brush or fingers to lift the crown as you blow dry. Pinch or tease gently to create subtle height, avoiding harsh back combing that can damage the hair. Once the desired lift is achieved, gather the hair into a low ponytail, securing it with a soft elastic to prevent breakage. Small sections of hair left slightly loose around the face enhance softness and movement, preventing the look from feeling severe. This style is particularly versatile. For casual day wear, leaving the ponytail slightly tousled adds effortless charm. For professional settings, smoothing the sides and securing the ponytail neatly conveys refinement and control. Adding a thin ribbon or decorative clip can personalize the style without overpowering the natural texture. Women with medium or long hair will find that the lifted crown offsets any tendency for heavy hair to drag downward, while those with finer hair can use light teasing and volumizing products to create the illusion of fullness. The beauty of the low ponytail with crown volume is that it requires minimal daily maintenance while remaining elegant and modern. It complements a variety of face shapes from oval to heart-shaped by drawing attention upward and softening jawlines. Additionally, studies and stylist observations confirm that hairstyles with lifted volume at the crown can enhance the perception of youth by creating a subtle vertical line which naturally elongates the face. In summary, this hairstyle is a timeless solution for women over 50 who want control, elegance, and a youthful silhouette. It combines simplicity with strategic lift, proving that even a classic ponytail can feel modern and fresh when executed with attention to detail. With the right products and gentle styling techniques, this low ponytail can highlight natural beauty, convey confidence, and make the wearer feel vibrant and put together without extensive effort. The layered lob is a standout choice for women over 50 who want a polished, sophisticated look with minimal effort. By cutting the hair into soft, graduated layers, this style adds natural movement and body, preventing the hair from appearing flat or lifeless. It's versatile enough to work straight, wavy, or slightly tousled, making it ideal for mornings when time is limited but style cannot be compromised. Helen Mirren exemplifies this effortlessly elegant approach. Her lob is perfectly layered, creating gentle volume around the face while maintaining a sleek, modern silhouette. Observing similar clients, a layered lob can reduce daily styling time to under 10 minutes while still delivering a fresh, refined look that enhances facial features and softens jawlines. The key to this style lies in the subtle layering. Layers are carefully placed to frame the face and allow hair to move naturally, which is especially beneficial for women with medium to thick hair. For those with finer strands, layers create the appearance of fullness without heavy products. A quick blow dry with a round brush or even air dry with a touch of lightweight texturizing spray is sufficient to reveal the hair's natural shape and shine. Minimal styling is part of the appeal. Less manipulation keeps the hair healthy and prevents unnecessary stress or breakage. This cut also emphasizes the versatility of a lob. For casual daytime occasions, simply running fingers through the ends or adding a slight bend with a flat iron can make the look feel relaxed and approachable. For professional or evening settings, smoothing the layers and adding a hint of shine spray produces a more polished, high-glam finish. It's a style that adjusts effortlessly to the wearer's mood and schedule, making it perfect for busy mornings or spontaneous plans. In practical terms, a layered lob boosts confidence because it requires little upkeep while maintaining elegance. Women often report that even with minimal styling, they receive compliments about their hair looking fresh and lively or effortlessly chic. By framing the face softly, the layers highlight the eyes and cheekbones, subtly lifting features that can naturally lose definition with age. This effect is comparable to a gentle, non-invasive rejuvenation, giving a sense of youthfulness without altering the hair's natural length significantly. The simplicity of this haircut is its brilliance. By focusing on clean, precise layers and allowing the hair's texture to speak for itself, it achieves a balance between sophistication and modernity. For those who enjoy experimenting, light highlights or lowlights can further enhance depth and dimension, creating the perception of even fuller hair. A layered lob proves that elegance does not need time-consuming styling. Strategically cut layers, a touch of product, and a few minutes of attention are enough to achieve a luminous, contemporary look that complements women over 50 beautifully. Low maintenance doesn't mean low style. With just a few minutes each morning, you can look polished, confident, and effortlessly chic. The right cut can lift your face, add movement, and let your natural beauty shine through. No complicated routines or hours in front of the mirror needed. Which style are you excited to try first? Share your favorite look in the comments. I love seeing your transformations. If these tips inspired you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a weekly boost of effortless style for women over 50. Remember, beauty after 50 isn't about doing more, it's about doing it smart, simple, and stylish.